Doon naman tayo sa Spill the Three.
Three!
Yeah.
Spill the
Yeah. Ito
three.
excited ako kasi sino naman ang nanalo, Ate Mia, this week? No, sa ano.
Grabe,
But
para siyang...
ini-scorean natin sila eh. Para ang tatalino natin. Pero, mind you guys, nag-score kami na Ate Mia based on how we see it as ordinary viewers like you. We're
Oo.
assessing. Oo. Hindi naman kami nagmamagaling dito. And we also want to know your answers at the end of this kung sinong nanalo. But just to give a context, ang pinag-usapan this week kasi is more on confidential funds.
Ha?
Confidential funds ang naging focus this week. So may 15 boxes of
What?
proof na at some point hindi naman lahat yan in-unveil but much of it were discussed during this
Oo.
week. So Attorney Poa sa defense side and Attorney Kapunan naman
Kapunan.
dito sa prosecution
Prosecute.
side.
Mm.
And I'm telling you, grabe yung character ni Attorney Lorna. Nung mga una-una kasi, medyo ano siya eh, Ate Mie, nung mga unang mga harap niya, parang ang tagal-tagal niya magsalita, parang ako super explain, na parang minsan naiisip ko na, ang OA rin ni Attorney Lorna magsalita. Pero this time, nilabas niya yung pagkahalimaw niya sa court.
Yung favorite line ko sa kanya this week is, Hoy! Don't
Uy,
answer that!
yeah. Hoy, don't answer that.
Wait, don't answer. Uy.
Ang galing.
And ilang beses tumawa ang mga nandoon, even mga senators natatawa, even si Poa natawa, di ba natatawa siya.
Oo
So,
nga. Oo, start natin dun sa ano ba yung nangyari dun sa copy-paste? Ano ba yun?
so ngayon, yung copy-paste na yan, ate, tinawag niyang scam yung mga mga liquidation na ginawa na present, no? Sa liquidation kasi ng OVP, pare-parehas lahat. It's a template. That's why she called it copy-paste. And kapag daw kasi gano'n, ang tawag doon, scam. Sabi niya. So, parang,
Siyempre, nag-object si Poa.
With all due respect to opposing counsel, I would like to object to
Sustain.
that characterization, Your Honor.
Sustain, counsel.
na-strike siya from the record. But after the hearing, in-explain niya nga na parang, it's really a scam. Diba? Kasi kung imbento naman yung liquidation report, at saka yung mga kung ano-anong mga acknowledgement receipt na ginawa, it's really a scam. Yun yung ano niya. Nakakatawa kasi kay Kapunan, laging meron siyang banat.
Sabi nga niya, di ba? I think that's copy-paste. Tapos, may I object si attorney po. Tapos, sabi ni attorney Kapunan, ay, akala ko makakalusot. Winner!
So madami siyang mga moments. Tapos yon yung about sa irregular, pinag-usapan din 'yan kung ano bang ibig sabihin ng irregular. Although I can see that Kapunan is doing her best na mas gawing masa yung trial. No, because if we would to check even the past impeachment trials before Estrada and yung kay Corona, napaka-technical. 'Di ba? Yung mga usapan doon. Dito ginagawa niyang masa. Kaya nga very different yung style niya ngayon compared sa mga previous.
Oo.
So, and actually mas tumutulong na nga si Cheese sa kanya in terms of like correcting yung mga translation ni Kapunan.
Tama ka, yung sa decorum nila, yung more often nag-step in na pati si presiding officer. Like for
Mm.
example, like in maintaining control doon sa impeachment court, he help, as you correctly said, he helps translate yung English terms like correcting irregular to hindi
Mm.
kinagawian, and then keeping decorum balanced. Meanwhile, ito namang si Senator Judge Raffy Tulfo, he raised conflict of interest concerns
Yan.
concerning POA serving as a defense counsel while being mentioned in an audit meeting. Take note, si Kapunan mismo, dinefend niya si POA. Ang sabi niya is POA is appearing strictly as legal counsel, which Escudero naman confirmed.
Agreed, oo. Pero alam mo diyan, at some point sa akin, kung
Ah,
kumausap ka sa meeting para lang i-lobby yung liquidation at paulit-ulit kang mini-mention even if like you're there as a lawyer, not as the ano, pero USEC kasi siya ng DepEd. I mean, official siya ng DepEd during that time. So I can see the reason why people are like clamoring or I mean requesting for him to like recuse himself, no?
Oo.
But yeah, kung yun yung naging decision, at least nakita natin si Kapunan, parang okay. I respect that, totoo naman. But yun nga, I also understand yung concerns ng iba na
Oo.
who's asking him to like inhibit.
Oo,
But ano pa
tama.
ba ang issue naman ng mga nakita mo rin before we score?
3,600 plus na resibo. O, di ba, yung 15 boxes na resibo ng documents, including yun nga, yung mga acknowledgement receipts, like
Mm,
for Mary Grace Piatos. And oh my gosh, yung ibang names doon, ang
ang
babastos.
dilim. At
Oh
ang
gosh,
nakakatawa
pakilabas mo
dyan,
Arvin lahat, ha? Okay.
at ang nakakatawa dyan, tumayo si Senator Robin Padilla.
Ah,
Alam mo ba yon?
tap,
Tapos question niya si Kapunan, bakit
oh.
naman daw pinaglalaroan ni Kapunan yung mga pangalan?
Ah, si Andy Lim.
Andy Lim, sabi ni Kapunan, ay hindi ko pa sila pinaglalaroan.
Kaya,
Binabasa ko lang po.
kaya ko
Binabasa ko
pala
lang
hindi
yung
makita. Andy Lim, parang,
tingnan mo. Oh, Senator Robin, ikaw nga nagugulat ka sa mga pangalan, tingin mo pa pinaglaruan ng prosecution. That's the reason why the people are asking for accountability because ito yung mga names na nasa liquidation report.
come on.
Nag-question din si Ivy Marcos. Gusto niya pang i-point out na it's not the DepEd secretary or the VP who should be accountable. Na parang it should be the mga nasa baba kung sino yung ano diyan. Buti na lang magaling yung witness na parang part of the part of the circular is that joint circular is that syempre pati yung head. Sino bang secretary? Sino bang nag-a-approve?
Meron din yung isa doon na yung no audit query. So, yung the COA denies the OVP request. What does this mean? Auditor Wamil testified that during a September 2023 meeting, the OVP and DepEd officials requested an audit query. So, COA denied the request and instead issued an audit observation memorandum. Kasi nga, walang audit query.
Inilatag na ngayon na ang problem dyan na isa sa confidential fund is yung spending 125 million pesos in 11 days. At least nilatag sa trial. Diba?
And COA disallowed 73.28 million of that.
Laki.
But aside from that, meron pa yung 500 million na OVP funds, saka yung 112.5 million in DepEd confidential funds naman spent across 2023.
Ito, nag-viral to eh. Yung, sabi ni Lorna Kapunan, gamitin natin yung yung
Kopya nyo?
document ninyo. Magka-question pa ba kayo? Pares
Oo.
lang naman tayo ng documents. Kasi
Oo.
manonood daw siya ng
Per Thursday, Friday, manonood pa ako ng Odyssey.
Odyssey.
The Odyssey.
And
Oo.
I salute the lawyers this week for making this week's trial fun. Yeah.
Oo.
So, sino sa'yo this week? Who won the game?
Oh my gosh, like this week, clearly naman, prosecution.
Ako hindi
Ikaw.
prosecution eh. Si
Oo.
Lorna Kapunan ng
Manonood pa ako ng Odyssey.
Sila na po na nang nanalo. I hope nakapanood na po kayo ng The Odyssey.
Odyssey.
She let the points across talaga.
Yeah, and
Got
she's
the
really
point across.
trying to engage. Alam naman natin na hindi lahat interested. Lalo't alam nila na napaka legally, technical. Ay, alam mo kung anong hinihintay ko?
Ano?
Shell and Pia. Wala eh. Wala man lang sorry yung isa. Wala man lang, wala.
Yeah. I'm looking forward to the time na siguro magharap-harapan si Pia at si Chel.
Yeah. At
Points this week go to the prosecution.